Akosombo. Yeah, near Akosombo, near the bridge, we do the boat ride.
Oh, really? There's going to be a boat ride.
Yeah. And then we come back, do small waterfall, and rest a bit. And then Saturday, you have to decide whether you want to do a long trip, or you want to do a short trip, or you want to rest.
Long trip to where?
Long trip, you can go to Cram, the beach at Cram. Or we can do also a day trip at there's a safari park.
Yes, I told you wanted to go to safari, right?
Yeah.
But the safari is very far.
It's not far. It's not far at all. Stay there is very expensive, so you can do a day trip.
All right.
Okay.
Do a day trip, have lunch there,
And come back.
They do the tour for us.
Okay.
You know, see some animals a bit.
That's fine.
It's not bad.
That's okay. Yeah, so that's fine. So what we can do, we can upload people to stay on Friday and Saturday near your place.
No, you can stay at the farm.
Oh, really? There are rooms at the farm.
You don't need to go and look for a hotel.
Oh, okay.
I'm 2-3 star.
Five-star hotel.
No, I mean, I'm there alone virtually, so, you know, there's a whole apartment floor available for you.
Thank you, Mr. Actor.
No, don't worry about hotel.
You're really spoiling us in
No,
Accra.
I mean, we have a caterer who cook the jollof, so don't eat jollof today. You eat jollof
jollof
tomorrow.
Ghana jollof rice.
Yeah. What food do you want to eat? Apart from
It's the Ghana jollof rice.
Banku,
is it
Banku and okra?
Yes, the banku and okra.
Okra with oil or without palm oil?
With oil.
Okay.
You will like oil, you're about demo.
Okay. Let me call the caterer and then you give her the menu.
Okay. Thank
you.
What's that food the taxi guy mentioned? Can you remember? I have it in the video.
Yeah.
There's a food the taxi guy mentioned that we should try it in Ghana and it's very nice.
So how far is the farm?
1.5 hours.
That's nice.
Yeah. Antiakos. Benya hoho impenifu akasiye. Big ones from Nigeria. Now I want to say Bahamas, Ghana jollof. No, Ghana jollof.
We are here to judge.
They are here to judge Ghana jollof.
And Nigerian
And
jollof.
then they will
which is
like
better.
bamboo and okra also. So, Ochana Saturday. The guest for Ochana Saturday. Yemfe Ochana no, yenye jollof no, na bamboo no. Oh, na Saturday yaye fufu.
We'll let you know.
Fufu na fine. And what meat? You want goat meat or goat meat?
Goat meat.
Goat meat. Okay. Goat meat. Soup. And fufu on Saturday.
Let's fit it.
All right. And we are in your channel. Sorry, we buy your channel. I confirm our channel Saturday. Dear, no. Your channel, jollof and then bamboo. You know, so maybe eat jollof in the morning, in the afternoon, and then or we might eat lunch at. No,
we eat lunch out. So
okay. Yeah,
but we're leaving on Sunday, so we can
jollof no kwa. Because you call we are Akosombo, you be your. Okay, all right, okay. Then you jollof no kwa. For the salad and then the chicken and then the beef yukakaswa. Why? All right, that's it. All right.
So what are we going to order?
Sorry. You have the seafood platter.
Yes, please.
Bring it. Let me see. What goes into the seafood platter?
Shrimps, lobster, octopus, prawns, red fish.
Does it look like something?
Seafood
And how much is
lovers
it?
in the house, say hi.
Bring them in. Bring them in.
I'm Mr. Atta, how do you know I love seafood?
Yes, you know.
I
So
love it a lot. The shrimps and the.
once I come to the beach, I have to
Sure,
eat.
you will
I
call
have
them
to, don't worry.
another one.
I have to eat seafood. But at the farm also we can grill catfish.
Oh, really?
We have catfish. We grill from our own pond.
Right, things to set up now. or we'll get to the farm, you'll be more inspired.
Yeah.